if the goods are complementary like car and petrol, cross elasticity will be negative. This we are done. If the demand for goods is elastic, increase in price will cause total expenditure to decrease. This also we are done. Now 78th. If goods are priced at 180 and its price is increased to 240. So now suppose the quantity demanded previously was 100 and as a result of increase the quantity demanded is 80. So price demand 180, 240, 180. This is a story. 180, 240, 180. So here change in price is 60 upon 210, midpoint of this two. 180 and 240 and 60 is a change. Here the change is 20 upon 90. So you get 20, cancel it. 20 divided by 90 into 210 divided by 60. So answer is 0.77. Option A. Sir Robert Giffen was surprised to find out relation of price of two other goods, price with two other goods, which were, now he was surprised to find the relation of price with two other goods. These were called Giffen goods. So obviously it has to be what? It was bread and meat. What? Bread and meat, and of course that meat was not a proper meat. Okay. If the proportion of income spent on the goods on the remains same, proportion remains same as the income elasticity of the income, as income proportion of income spent on goods remains same. So the income elasticity of goods is 1. Income elasticity will be 1. Proportionate change in income and proportionate change in demand is same. Identify the factor which generally gives price elasticity of demand a very good high. Price elasticity of high price, at a very high price, elasticity of demand will be high. Very low price, very low price also. Now if there are large, there is a very low price, the demand will be inelastic because people won't mind paying more. अरे थोड़ा ही तो फर्क पड़ा, क्या होता है इतने छोटे में. Large number of substitutes. If there are large number of substitutes, price elasticity of demand will be very high. थोड़ा भाव बढ़ाओगे सब भाग जाएंगे, थोड़ा कम करोगे सब दौड़ के आएंगे. Suppose price of fashionable shirts rises from 400 to 700 per piece, and the shopping mall manager observes that the rise in the price causes demand of the shirts to fall from 500 per week to 300 per shirts per week. So again price demand, price क्या था 400 से 700 हो गया, and demand कितना हो गया 400 से 500 से 300 हो गया. ऐसा लिख देने का. Now what is the percentage change in demand? That is 300 upon 550, midpoint of these two, and 200 upon 400. So obviously it is what? Into 550 divided by 300. 0.916. Which was the answer? Answer is A. Okay. If the price of petrol rises by 25% and demand for car falls by 40%, so 40 divided by 125 is 1.6. Obviously, it will be minus 1.6. Prices are rising of petrol for petrol and demand is falling for cars. So minus 1.6. Okay. Yes or no? Then, assuming that when when price is 40, quantity demand is 9. When price falls, is price is 38, quantity demand is 10. Based on the information, what is the marginal revenue resulting from increase in demand output from 9 to 10? See here, at 9 units, your total collection was 40 into 9 rupees. 40 into 9, 360 was a collection. And now your collection is 38 into 10. 38 into 10 is 380 and 40 into 9 is 360. So there is an increase in revenue by rupees how much? 20 rupees. If the proportion of income spent on goods increases, as the income increases, it means you are spending more. Income बढ़ रही है और तुम लोग ज्यादा पैसा proportion भी ज्यादा बढ़ रहे हो, तो क्या होगा? Income elasticity of demand is greater than 1. बताऊं कैसे? Proportion बढ़ रहा है मतलब क्या? See here, income and demand. Say income is 100, you are spending 20%, 20 rupees. Income is 200, now you are spending 25%, ज़्यादा परसेंट proportion बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो 50 रुपया खर्चा कर रहे हो. Now which is income is rising and demand is rising much faster, so your elasticity of demand has to be more than 1. More than 1. Contraction in demand is a result of increase in price of other goods, increase in price of substitutes, decrease in the income of the consumer. No, increase in the price of goods concerned. है ना, उसके लिए प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी होती है और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है. Which of the following method is not used for measuring elasticity of supply? इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई के लिए आर्क मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, परसेंटेज भी यूज कर सकते हैं, पॉइंट भी कुछ हद तक यूज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन नॉट यूज टोटल आउटले मेथड. व्हाट? वन मिनट. This total outlay method you cannot use it. Okay. If local ice cream shop raises the price of ice cream from 10 per cup to 15 per cup, so and the quantity demand it falls from 500 cups to 300 cups. So I will do directly on a calculator. Likhenge in is bar. Now see what is the change in demand. Falls from 500 to 300. So fall is 200 divided by average 400. Okay. And what is the rise in price? 5 divided by 12.5. So it will be 5 into 12.5 divided by 5. So it is 1.25 is the answer. Okay. Now if you go by proportionate method, then it is 200 is the change divided by 500, that is not income elasticity, into 10 divided by 5. 0.8 is not given, so it is 1.25. Okay, answer is 1.25. First, see, I did both the methods. Why? First, price and demand. From 10 it went to 15, from 500 it went to 300. So first I did 200 upon 400 upon 5 upon 12.5, okay, average. So it will be 0.5 upon 0.4 is your 1.25. In second method I did this way. 200 is a change on 500 and 5 is a change on 10. So it is 0.4 upon 0.5. So it comes to 0.8. Okay. So 0.8 is not available. So definitely sometimes you have to try both the methods because they don't specify whether you have to use average. As far as as the price of banana rises, the quantity demand of banana increases. Wrong. The demand curve for banana shifts to rights. No. The price of the quantities demanded for banana decreases. Yes, quantity demanded will decrease. When the price of the substitute X of commodity, substitute of X commodity falls, substitute का भाव कम हो गया तो हमारा डिमांड भी कम हो जाएगा. The demand for commodity X will also fall. Okay. In a typical market demand schedule, quantity demanded varies inversely with price. So have you done this all 91 objectives, and more objectives you will do for utility and indifference curves. Okay.